beautiful. In today's video, we are going to be unbagging my October Ipsy bag. So if you want to see what goodies that came in this bag, then keep on watching. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So we have another Ipsy bag unbagging, y'all. I'm super excited. So this month theme, it's called Pretty Wicked, and this is the bag, and I think it is so cute and festive for Halloween. I love the colors of the lime green. And this is a little card, Pretty Wicked. It was so cute. So you guys, I'm not going to be doing any reviewing and trying on of the products in this video. I am going to roll some clips so you can see the packaging up close and let you know how much the products cost and the specs of the products. Hey you guys, I wasn't able to review it because two of the items I could not use, but I'll explain that at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that, and let's get this unbagging started. Okay guys, so this month Ipsy theme was Pretty Wicked, and today I'm going to be unbagging the Glam Bag Plus. And let's just take a good look of the packaging and the promotion of this Glam bag. You guys, I love the colors that they chose for this month's theme. I think the bag went well with beauty, with the lips and the fangs. It's just super duper cute, and I love the colors. I love black, white, and green and purple for Halloween. I just think those colors look so dope together. So let's just jump right into the first product. Okay, so the first product in my Ipsy bag is this Dermalac Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum, and this retail values for $42. This is a full-size product, and the website reads, this face and neck serum uses a blend of firming amino acids, exfoliating acids, and antioxidant-rich vitamin C to dramatically help smooth and brighten skin while you sleep. Now you guys, I don't think I'm going to be trying this product. I don't know if I got a bad product, but it's super duper strong. It smells like a chemical in a bottle. I did try to look on YouTube to see if I can find any research on this product or review. I did find a demo by the company of a model using it. Her serum was clear. Mine had a yellow tint to it. And you guys, it smells so strong that I don't think I feel comfortable putting it on my face. If you tried this product before and this is normal, please let me know down in the comments below. But on to the next product. So the next product that was in my bag is this Mozzie Balancing Multi-Effect Cleanser. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This retail values for $38, and this is a full-size product as well. And it reads, this gentle yet effective cleanser uses mild surfactants to help remove excess oil, buildup, and impurities, plus omega-rich rosehip seed oil to moisturize and smooth your skin while promoting a healthy barrier. Guys, unfortunately, I won't be able to use this because my seal was broken and my box is open, and I'm super duper sad because I was excited for this product. But on to the next one. So the next product is Wonder Beauty Staycation Hydrating Mask, and this retail values for $38, and this is a full-size item as well. And it reads, this fast-acting formula helps restore moisture levels, soothe inflammation, plumps fine lines and wrinkles, and improves skin texture with a blend of ceramides, plant oil, and peptides. And I am super excited about this product. It wasn't damaged, and I love clay mask. I love any type of hydrating mask, and I am super duper excited. Wonder Beauty is a fave of mine. I just love all of their products, so I'm super excited to use this. But on to our next product. So this next item is About Face by Halsey Light Lock Lip Gloss in Peyton, and this retail values for $20, and this is a full-size item as well. And it reads, this sheer bronze gloss is made with nourishing oils like peppermint, lavender, and coconut, which means it leaves your lips soft, shiny, and never sticky, which is a plus when it comes to lip gloss. I can't wait to try this out. On to the next product. So my final product in my Ipsy bag is this Lovecraft Beauty Detailer Eye Brush Set, and this retail values for $55. This is a full-size product as well, and it reads blend, contour, shade, and detail like a total makeup pro with this 5-piece brush kit. Each of the high-quality brushes work with cream, powder, or liquid products too. So I'm super excited to try this brush set. All right, guys, that's all the products that came in my October Ipsy bag. And remember, this is the Glam Bag Plus Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up right now. Go ahead, thumbs up the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure those post notification bells are turned on, y'all, so you won't miss no video from me. Happy Vlogtober Day 15 to all of you out there in the YouTube community that's doing Vlogtober. We are almost there. Keep going, sis, bruh. We're almost there. You can do it. Thank you guys for supporting everybody who's doing Vlogtober, and thank you for supporting my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.